Hello guys, do you ever feel very anxious when you are feeling very under stress? Do you have any way to release your stress? So here we are bringing you the bubble pop fidget toy. We got the circle shape, square shape, heart shape, star shape, and the carrot shape. So how to use it? Let's see. We just need to put our finger on the push bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen to the sound. And let's see this wonderful sky color. And we also got the heart shape. And the star. Don't forget the carrot. If you are interested in this item, just contact us.